So we are here today to demand that the government will form a national investigative committee to investigate the events leading to on October 7 and hopefully every day since. This government, who has been in power on October 7th and in the years leading to October 7th, is preventing any attempt to form such a committee. They don't want to be held accountable, and we are here to say we are not having it.
We've been doing this now for a few years, about 3 years already. Started off with a judicial reform, and then after that it became the war when we wanted our hostages back. And now at the end of that, or nearing the end of that, we want a national inquiry. We want to know why this terrible situation occurred and for people to take responsibility for what happened. And the people who should take responsibility know who they are, but this can only be done if our Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu agrees to that. And he hasn't as such. He wants a Knesset inquiry where he appoints the people who will listen and make the judgment.